Dr. Doom. Y'all know who Dr. Doom is? Dr. Doom, he's the most pessimistic guy in the room. Instills foreboding apprehension in gloom, and that is why they call him Dr. Doom. Plus that's also his name. He's badly scarred, and he's ironclad. He's really smart, and he's really mad. He's serious and mysterious. He's quite nefarious and full of scariness. He's Rex Imperius of Liberia. Crownhead weariness is his mood dreary. Yes, he's got doom vibes and a time machine. His will is strong and his cape is green. He's Dr. Doom, and that isn't just a nom de plume. He's a doctor named Victor Von Doom. Dr. Doom, Dr. Doom.